Hey guys, so I just pulled up to this Walmart. Actually, let me go ahead and just do my message real quick. So this is actually stop 3. I've been meaning to record my backing because you guys have been asking about it, but I just have been busy, really. I know that's not a real good. Oh, I get to go down there, cool. Real good answer. So this back is pretty self-explanatory on how to do it, but we'll get out real quick. I'll kind of explain it and we'll go from there. So let me go ahead and get out real quick. All right, so easiest way is bring the truck around here, go this way. We're gonna watch our tandems come across this red line right here and come across to this yellow line. Once we get over there, we're gonna turn around this way and we're gonna make an S shape going back over this way and then just back it right into the dock. Real simple. Now, you might sit there and be like, oh, well, that doesn't sound real simple, but I'll show you. You can do it in one move. So, now we're walking back up to the truck, so you're always checking your lights. Just always want to make sure your lights are all working. All right. So, whenever you get out of the truck, you're always check your lights. So we're gonna be doing some maneuvering, so we're gonna turn our emergency flashers and put the vehicle in drive. So, real easy to do this. You just come over here like so. Come around like this. Now I'm just watching my tandems in the mirror. It's coming up on that yellow line, so now I just come in sharp like this. See, it stays right there. Perfect. Come out like this. Just come in like that. And you can see it's right there. So now all I gotta do is just look out this side and bring the edge of that trailer right there. So now we're gonna look at that side until we come back around. Getting it into the hole. Now I see the padding and I'm lined up perfectly, so I only need to worry about this side. Now I'm putting the truck in neutral, and so now I'm just slowly rolling backwards right up to it and just making small corrections as I come up to it. Now you can watch the light there and you'll see the light show up on the wall. See the light at the very top? You see how it got real bright? Now watch as I touch the padding. Just before I touch, it will disappear. See, it has disappeared, but I've not yet touched the padding. Now if I let up off, it hit. That simple. Pull the brakes. Oh, I've already done that. So turn off headlights and flashers. That easy, guys. So what I was doing when I came around, okay, I was watching for this yellow line. Once I saw that my tires got, on my trailer tires got to that yellow line, I just spun it around, came in real sharp to the left, and went towards that curb over there and backed it right in. Real simple. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm going to try to get some more backing videos when I can. Sorry for the delay. I do need to get my GoPro. I mean, not my GoPro. I am using my GoPro. I need to get the drone charged so I can throw that up in the air when I'm doing some backing up maneuvers in the daylight. I could probably do it in the nighttime too. I don't know how good the video will be. I'll have to try that and find out and let you guys know. Anyway, again, like I said, thank you for watching. Please have a good one. See you on the next one.